Welcome to a Smart Optometry. In this video, we will learn about the clinical features of chalazion and how these occurs. Symptoms of chalazion: painless nodular swelling of the eyelid, feeling of mild heaviness, drooping of the eyelid. Signs of chalazion: 1. A small pea-sized nodular swelling, generally away from the lid margin. It is firm, tense, and non-tender. It usually points on the conjunctival side and rarely in skin side. 2. No signs of inflammation. No pain. No local temperature raises. No pus formation. 3. The skin. The skin over the swelling is normal. The skin is free from swelling. 4. On evocyon of eyelid. The tarsal conjunctiva underneath the nodule is velvety red or purple, and slightly elevated. 5. Numbers and locations. Frequently, multiple chalazion may be seen involving one or more eyelids. Subscribe to Smart Optometry for more videos like this. Stay with a Smart Optometry and study optometry smartly.